Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back to your content class. We will continue talking about our country, El Salvador. But today, our main topic is going to be traditions and custom from El Salvador, where we will learn 4 new vocabulary words. But first, repeat with me. Traditions and customs from El Salvador. Great. Our first vocabulary word, it is typical food. Please repeat with me. Typical food. Some examples of typical food are empanadas, pastelitos, pupusas, tamales, and our delicious elotes locos. Next, we have our second vocabulary word, which is traditional toys and games. Repeat with me, please. Traditional toys and games. Let me show you 3 traditional toys like Jojo, Capirucho, and Trompa. Also, we have traditional games like Escondelero, Salta Cuerda, La Peregrina, and La Víbora de la Mar. Our third vocabulary word, it is traditional celebrations. Please repeat with me. Traditional celebrations. Some of our most popular celebrations are Semana Santa, Día de Independencia, Día de los Difuntos, Día de la Cruz, and fiestas patronales por el Divino Salvador del mundo. Now, let's see the last vocabulary word, which is typical songs and dances. Please repeat one more time with me. Typical songs and dances. And let me show you some examples. We have de Carbonero, Sombrero Azul, Torito Pinto, and Las Cortadoras. Well, guys, that was everything for today, and I hope you enjoyed all the vocabulary words that we learned. It was a pleasure, and bye-bye. Thank you.